Hello everyone, Vlogmas. Oh gosh, what day are we even on now? I think I just uploaded 4, 5, 6. So Vlogmas, day 7. We're getting ready because we're gonna go somewhere because Drew wants to watch football. Of course, so we're gonna meet one of his friends there and we're gonna watch a football game. I have no idea which one, but right now I'm just getting ready. I need to do some light makeup. We're not doing anything important, so I'm just gonna do a little bit. And then I'll probably do nothing to my hair because I don't really care. First, we're gonna use some primer. And then I also like to use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Drops. They smell so good. There's Drew Paul.
Wow.
They just like make you glowy.
Wow.
What was that? Why are you talking like SpongeBob? These smell so good. Like they actually smell like watermelon. I don't really know. I mean, I guess like some people use it as skincare, I know, but I like to use it like with makeup because they're a little bit like glowy, obviously. And then this In Beauty lip oil. I really like their lip oils because I really like this like applicator. It's big and I like it. And then let's do foundation. I just started using this one. It cosmetics your skin but better. And supposedly this one is like foundation and skincare, whatever that means. It won't make you break out, I guess. My concealer is literally on the brink of death. There's like nothing left in here. This is just e.l.f. concealer. See if I can get anything out of here. I don't really need that much because I'm not really doing anything of importance. Except Drew just came in here. I turned my camera off for a moment. He's really excited to go to this place. Then let's do a little bit of bronzer. This one, or cream bronzer. I just do it like a little on my cheeks and on my nose. I feel like doing cream blush because it's messy. I'll do a little bit of setting powder. Then we're gonna do regular bronzer. A little bit. No eyeshadow. Because, again, I don't really care. This is like a sports bar, so the boys are gonna be having way more fun than I am. I guess like you can do like live betting there. I don't really know what the tea is because I don't pay attention to those things. But we're doing a little blush. I have an eyebrow microblading appointment next week, I wanna say, and I'm so excited. Or maybe it's this week. I need to check my calendar, but it's been like almost a year since I last did it. So I'm excited to get them done. Obviously, I'll bring you guys the day that I go. I just like, I don't know why I have no eyebrows. No real eyebrows. They don't grow. It's really tragic. And then a little bit of mascara. Another thing I need to get done ASAP is my eyelashes. I have like none left. I mean, obviously my real ones left, but no eyelash extensions. What always bothers me also is that I always like lose them way quicker on one eye. Like this one has so much less than this one. And then a little bit of this clear brow gel, and that's it. Ugh, I got a dot. It's okay, it can be fixed. If you don't know, these spoolie things, if you let it dry, I mean, you probably could let it dry more, it gets rid of them. It's magical. That's it. I'm gonna change into something else and then we're gonna go. Drew's dream bet on sports here.
Okay.
Our food is here. We have a whole spread and kites here and lots of TVs, which the boys like, but I don't. Just kidding, I do, but I don't really care about football. Hello guys, it's the next day from yesterday. We went to Drew's apparently new favorite restaurant, Bobby V's. He had
magical place.
He says it's the best time he's ever had. But today, we didn't do much. We just went to dinner at Barcelona. If you have one near you, you should definitely go because it's so good. But we're gonna do, it's like tapas situation. We're gonna do a Q&A because I asked you guys, whoever, on Instagram to ask us questions so we would have some content for the vlog. I asked people for funny questions. We got a lot of questions regarding the Patriots because I'm sure you guys know.
I'm happy to answer all of them.
That's Drew's favorite thing in the whole entire world. His friends were saying that they were gonna lose last night, but it turns out they won. The people are asking how we met, which I don't think we've ever talked about. But me and Drew both went to IU, and we didn't know each other, and then randomly we met at Hotel Chantel.
This ring light is so bright.
I have a ring light because my living room's kind of dark.
I've never been in front of one of these before.
Yeah, you have. I'm sure you have. I asked for funny questions.
Yeah, that wasn't funny.
That wasn't funny, but that was just a brief. This one's not funny either, but it's a good question. What is your favorite item from Stu Leonard's?
Oh.
Mine used to be, they had cronuts, which if you don't know are a croissant donut, and they were so good and they made them fresh there, but they got rid of them. I don't know why they don't make them anymore. I don't know what my new favorite thing is. Maybe the buffalo chicken dip. Someone said, what white eyeshadow do I wear? And I've gotten that question before, but I don't wear white eyeshadow, so I hate to tell you this. I'm not sure what you're talking about. I don't own a white eyeshadow. If you could trade lives / bodies with one celebrity, who would it be? I already know his answer.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you guys don't know already, it's Tom Brady.
Kind of goes without saying. But I mean, since that's such a given, I guess I could do a second one.
Yeah, do something else. Because everybody knows that's your like classic.
Wow. Why don't you go?
Mine would be Miley Cyrus. I've loved her since the 6th grade. We're gonna have, early in this video, Bridget left a comment on one of the other vlogs saying it's rude that I didn't show him, and now we are. This is the whole reason we're here. If you don't know, we're babysitting my dog while my parents are on vacation.
Let's just leave with Tom. I don't think
Okay.
anything else needs to be said.
What food do you think you're most like?
I didn't know it was gonna be like this. These aren't funny.
Oh my gosh.
Well, 5.
I said funny / weird.
That's not weird. This is classic interview prep.
Actually, now that I think about it, in an interview that I had like after college, someone asked me what kitchen appliance I'm most like, which was kind of interesting. Look at Charlie's pajamas, guys. They're so funny.
I don't know. I'll say celery.
Why?
Because I go well with everything.
Celery does not go well with
Yes,
everything.
it does. Buffalo chicken dip, ranch, blue cheese, all the above.
Fuck, marry, kill, alcohol, coffee, water.
Ooh, kill water. Marry alcohol, fuck coffee.
Okay, but water, like, think about when you're so thirsty. Alcohol and coffee don't help you.
Actually, yeah, no, I'd kill coffee.
I'd probably kill alcohol because if you never knew, you wouldn't, like, know. You know?
What is
Like, if you never had it, you wouldn't, like, care about it. I guess you could say the same with coffee, but, like, there's some coffees I really like. Somebody asked if I want an assistant, which I do, but, like, it's not really realistic at this point. But one day. NYC subway funny stories.
Oh, I saw the, it wasn't on the subway, but it's a subway-like creature. The rat, the guy that dressed up as the New York rat. It's like a human, like, you should link him to this exact moment in this video. But he dresses up as a rat in New York, and I've seen him around. And he's usually on the subway.
I don't think I've seen that.
And he, like, slithers around. He's got a whole thing. Yeah,
You're gonna have to show me because I don't think I've seen that.
he's large.
So I don't know that I have funny stories about the subway. They're all mostly gross stories because I feel like that's kind of what happens on the subway is gross things. But kind of funny thing is one time me and Bridget were on the subway and then suddenly the doors open and Drew was there. And we were like, how did that happen?
You knew we were going to the same place.
We were going to the same place, but like how did he happen to be in the exact
I told you I was at that station and you guys were pulling up. It was just a matter of me finding
No,
the
you didn't.
Which I obviously did.
Well, he found our exact train and exact cart somehow. Who's Big Spoon versus Little Spoon?
The answer is I'm Little Spoon.
Yeah, 100%. Do you like Drew's friends? Eye emoji. Most of them.
Who don't you like? I mean, there's no chance they're gonna be watching this, so just spill it. Spill it.
There's been some I've done some questionable. Favorite date that you've had? I feel like there's been too many I can't remember.
That's not an answer.
I know, but I don't know. It's not really like one specific date because like we've done like trips. I feel like it would be like a whole trip, you know? Because if you're on a trip for like a week, 2 weeks, whatever together, like the whole thing is kind of a date.
No, there's dates within the trips. Sub dates. Probably the first dinner in Capri.
Yeah, that was nice.
Magical.
What is the funniest memory of each other? I'm pretty funny, guys.
You're
So
nuts. about to say you're not funny.
I'm pretty funny. So Drew is constantly laughing at things that I say / do because I'm pretty funny.
It would be something that you've done that didn't intend to be funny, that was. Oh, not funny, but funny now when you lost the key in Montreal, in Vermont.
That's not the funniest memory of me. I've done like, I feel like that was traumatic.
Pretty bad. Lost the car key.
We only knew each other for like 2 months or something. And we were supposed to go from Vermont to Montreal, and I lost my car key in Vermont. So I was like not freaking out because I'm very not like a freak out kind of person at things like that. We were with my friends and they were all
at things like serious situations.
Yeah.
Stranded.
So we were with my friends who obviously like know that I'm like that, and Drew, like, we had just met, so he didn't know. And he was definitely confused why I was like not having a panic attack. But then I was like, when I realized it was like time to leave and we had no car key. So not really till the end, but we figured it out. We had to stay there an extra night, and as soon as we left, we had to have my sister mail us my key from Connecticut to Vermont. The extra key. No, Dana had to mail us.
Didn't they find it in the lost and found?
Yeah, but that's not how we left. We had to have my sister overnight us the extra key for my house. They were not happy. We were asking my little sister to drive to Vermont to give us the other key. Obviously, she was never gonna do that.
I would have bought her breakfast.
No.
Only like 9-hour road trip.
My sister doesn't like to drive even like 10 minutes, so that wouldn't have never worked. But she ended up mailing it to us, and then we had to stay an extra night in our Airbnb, which was fine. Got the key in the morning, and we drove to Montreal, and like on the drive, the guy calls me and he's like, I found your key. And I was like, literally, what the heck? Of course, like right when we leave, he finds the key. Who would you choose to play Drew and vice versa in a movie about your life?
About their life?
About like my life, who would I choose to play you?
And I would have LeBron James play me.
No.
Who would play you?
Yeah, who would play me in the movie of your life? This
Wait,
is gonna expose a lot.
Wait, you're probably gonna want me to say like Charlie D'Amelio or some bullshit.
No!
And I'm not saying that.
Why would I say Charlie D'Amelio? Drew never says anything about girl celebrities, so this should be very interesting to hear who he's gonna say.
I mean, if I'm Brady, then you can be Giselle.
Okay, I guess that was easy for you too. Most annoying pet peeve of Drew? I have a lot.
This one comes naturally.
He does a few things that are so annoying, and he knows them and he does them on purpose. He makes this noise with his throat that I don't even know what it is. Do you want to give an example?
It's a croak.
It's like a freaking croak, whatever that is. And he does it all the time. It's so annoying.
I learned it from my buddy Noah, who does the loudest croak that could be registered on a croak meter. So I'm only a fraction of what he does. But now that you told me that you hate it, of course I'm gonna...
What do you mean? You know I hate it. I tell you every day I hate it.
Yeah, that's why I do it.
And then the other thing is, he like obnoxiously shakes his freaking foot and leg all the time, and it makes me nauseous.
You get nauseous from riding in a car.
I get nauseous from very easily, and I swear him shaking his leg gives me motion sickness. Like, especially in bed, he'll shake the whole bed, and then I have motion sickness.
Yeah, I'm a beast. You wake up at like 6 a.m.
Yeah, that's definitely your biggest pet peeve.
Every single day. You don't like my white noise fan that I use.
He forces us to sleep with a fan.
You make
a fan app, not a real fan.
I have to do the Q&As.
Is that your pet peeve?
I have to carry your vlog. That's all I have to do. So that's become, and I don't get any of the royalties. She made me sign a form the other day.
I did. I made
a form, and I'm not getting any of the royalties for any of that. So
Drew's like featured for half a second in a TikTok I'm posting soon, and the brand made him sign like a release form, which is ridiculous.
Next time I'm having
He also gets really mad.
Next time I'm having lawyers present.
I don't have a blind on my
oh my god
on my window in my apartment, and it's really sunny. So like he wakes up and it's like
think so this ring light except all over all the walls. The brightest.
Yeah, my room is like literally, I always say it's like heaven because it's so bright. Okay. We have been answering questions for like 20 minutes now. So if you have more funny questions, send them to me and maybe we'll do part 2 one day. But it took this long just to get Drew to do part 1, so we'll see. But if they're funny, maybe he'll agree. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Like.